Okay, so if you want the part indent one, we'll have a little look at indenting a part. Again, using two solid bodies, using this little additional solid bodies we brought in. So, I can move around here. Here's one we made earlier, the little indent part. And if I just right click on Customize, and Commands, and Features. And there it is, Indent. So it's on the third row. Down, so the indent, so you can drag that in. So if I use my little indent command, and the target body, this is the target body. So that whole thing is the target body, and the tool body region that we want to indent, making sure you go underside because it'll indent the top end if you pick that side. So go underside, this side of the actual target body, and it produces that little target now. The parameters, so the thickness of the indent is currently set at 1, but as you see, as I increase it, you see it getting bigger there on screen. Okay, so we need to make that 6 the same. It's actually the same thickness as the material if you like. So click OK. And we've indented our part, so if I kind of have a look at that and just do a section view on that, you can see we've created that little, if you like, bust down on the actual plate itself. Now, very useful if you're into sort of punching out parts and stuff like that. Now you can kind of create a little clearance on that as well if you like. So if I right click and indent to edit the feature again, and maybe just kind of select this a little bit and just create a little clearance. I'll make it sort of big-ish for now, just so you can kind of see it. So you can see we get a sort of a clearance of a 3mm clearance gap in there all around. So you can kind of give it a little bit of clearance on the little punch tool if you like. Okay, so I right click and edit that feature and put it back to 0. And click OK, we can get on with the sort of next part of this. So next part, if we roll back just ahead of that indent feature, so it's kind of removed to there, and then do a little circular pattern. So I select that circle as my, oops, and it's 3, and again instead of features to pattern, we're looking at bodies to pattern. So that's my body. Click OK, and that's those 3 done. Now if I roll forward my indent again, you can see we just got the one pattern there. So if I edit that feature, and the tool body region then is, again, just add those two little tool body regions to my part. Click OK, and I get those 3 little indents. Okay, so I can, those little tools, then I can hide those. And that's my part. Now, on the indent as well, it calls for in the book a little 1.25 clearance, so we can pop in there 1.25, click OK, and it gives me a little clearance. Let's just check that out. So if I do that little thing there, and if I make him visible just for a second, so you can see we kind of have our little kind of 1.25 clearance all the way around that. So we can turn him off again. And don't need the section view, so I'll just kind of go out of that. And that's my little indent. So you want to create little indents in parts. Nice little kind of feature. It'd be awkward enough to kind of do that part without that little tool. Okay.